amazing people. How you are doing? I hope you guys are doing great. My people, I welcome you all for the love you guys have been showing me. So today we're going to talk about this lady who cry heart. My people, this life not banners, problem everywhere. This lady, she dress come out one fateful day. May she go out, may she come back. You know say that one had to go where she no go let return for life again. Keke na pet don join a bad gang when e be say that they carry people now, they sell human being pass. Keke na pet. Nigeria, it just dey on hot seat. This video particularly to our family when e dey Nigeria, now let me post am. If you see this video, share am, may e reach there. Share am for there. They should be careful. Make everybody for that Nigeria, make them be careful anywhere they go. Share this video to your loved ones, to your sister out there, to your brothers out there. Share the video, because this one go see help them a lot. It go help them. So my people, this woman go at faithful day. You know say na people wey dey do money ritual, na it go for their hands. They come ask her some money. You see a lot of people wey not see money pay at all. They buy them, they slaughter them. Somebody will come buy human pass. My people, this life, I don't know where people they carry money they go. This money, everybody go live at some days. Even old people now, they don't know say yes. A lot of youth they do ritual. A lot of youth they do yahoo. One of my girlfriend they call a mother yesterday. Mama they tell her say yahoo people don't buy all our community finish. Oh, they complain of them. May God help us. What did they talk say devil? Devil no they come from outside. Now we human being be the devil. Now every time one comes so. Yes. Because things, so kind things when they happen. Now waiting really day Bible, now they happen now. We need to choose which road we go pass. May God help us for that country called Nigeria. I go drop the video for Ramona listen to the woman by herself. How God is save her, how God is help her. Meanwhile, if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. God bless you guys. See me again on my next video and put on the notification bell. Bye bye guys.
Good evening my people. I want to explain what happened to me on my way from work to my house. I take tinted keke mini bus that is going to St. John's Iwofe Road. As I enter, I'm not the only one there. No be me be the only person. As we gather enter the bus bar, now per knife with gun. Now we see. They say everybody silent. If not, they will kill you. The next thing they open one cooler. Human being pass, breast, everything they inside with ice block. They say if we talk, then go kill us. We reach police checking point. Police people know they even they check motor. Waiting they happen. Their owner to take ransom. They go 100 naira. We no fit shout, we no fit do anything because we there for death point. We endure till before we find ourselves. Now inside a local government, inside forest, where they sell human pass. People they come there, they drive motor, they come buy human pass, put for fufla cooler, carry go their house. They say 2023 election they come now. Waiting then talk. When I hear things they happen, people they die every day. People they die every day for Nigeria. People they miss every day for Nigeria. See what thing they do to me. See what thing they do to me. Then carry me on Sunday, which is on the 23rd of May. They released me around 8. After they said my people should pay some. Yesterday they killed the lady, slaughter her, sell her pass. She never born one pikin. Things they happen for Rivers State. Young girls, young boys, small children, and they carry. People they miss for inside the country where we did, but we don't know. You go see your fellow neighbor, you never see am 1 week, you no know where im dey. You no know whether they don kidnap am. Kidnappers, then they sell human being pass. People dey come there come buy. My people, more na fight against this thing. Human slaughter. Abeg. The place where dem carry me go, the only thing I remember, dem blindfold me. After my people don operate with them finish, dem blindfold me, carry me come out. The only thing I can remember when I raise my eye, na Catholic Church of Nigeria. Now see, for Eche local government. Na so, are they there? Police call. Say people come to pay ransom, then carry police people from Rivers State, they come. Say make them shift us, go inside another camp, inside the forest. Say then they come. Now waiting police people, they bargain with those people. The chief, everybody of that local government, they know what is going on there. Please, you people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they take they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die for my